This is a photograph of the backyard, and there's something very notable about this photograph. A couple of weeks ago, the living room air conditioner was removed and put into the basement for winter storage. And the way I do it is I take it through the house on a rolling cart, and then I take it out the front door because it's only 2 stairs. And then it has to go all the way around the yard, outside the house, and into the basement door. And so we move it all the way around like that, get it downstairs. Everything seems to have gone okay. The machine's in its place for the winter and all appears to be copacetic. A couple of days later, I'm moving some other stuff around downstairs. I'm stacking some other air conditioner in front of it. And I noticed that one of the control knobs is missing from the living room carrier. Now the control panel was kind of bulged off on the bottom right corner where the cord goes in, and that in turn popped off the knob. And I imagine that would have had to have happened upstairs when we first took it out and was preparing it to put it on the cart and move it downstairs. So I'm scouring the living room all over the place looking for this knob, and I can't find the knob. So, in conclusion, it must have fallen off somewhere outside. And I had cleaned up the leaves 4 times since it was removed and cut the grass once with the catcher on the mower. So there was 5 events that would have, if not removed the knob from the yard, would have taken it off the surface and kind of buried it in the grass and everything. But I decided I was going to look anyways. So I'm looking around the yard and I'm spending a lot of time and I'm not seeing it and I'm getting annoyed about it. And finally I just wrote it off as a loss. I went back in the house, finished what I was doing downstairs, and then I'm done doing what I'm doing downstairs. I walk out the downstairs door, and there's the knob. It's just sitting there in the yard. Here's a closer photograph of the knob. This is how I found it, right outside the door. It was incredible, and this is such a 1 in a million shot that I thought it was worth showing on video, because the likelihood of finding that knob between the leaf cleanup, the mowing of the lawn, the surface area that it could have potentially been in, plus the weather, walking back and forth there, plus my vision not being the greatest when it comes to the coloring, it was like nothing was working towards finding that knob. But there it was, sitting right there, a couple feet out from the basement door. And for whatever reason, the lighting, the angle, everything was just perfect when I walked out that door that I saw it.